Predictions of this match are half. Alright. First half, T-Squared here is going to try to make Coyle submit. Coyle is a chain gang soldier though, so what's going to happen? Hey, I can put him in. Yeah, alright, yeah, we'll see what's going on. Alright, are you ready? Challenge. Lockie is ready. Attempting Chris Masters Master Lock, the lock that has never been broken. He trampled. Alright, wait. How are we going to signal a tap? Are you going to tap him? I'm going to tap him. He's not going to tap. Yeah. He just a tap verbally. Verbally. Yeah, verbally. And verbally, okay. No, just verbally. Just verbally. Alright, are we ready? Alright, give her! When you getting off there?
John.
Hey, John, you have to take the chair away. Once you stop,
no, let Dean like lift me up first and then we'll stay.
You guys take the chair away.
Alright. John, you gotta tap him on the count over there.
There's a lock in.
Tell him when you're good. Tell him when the lock's in. You got this, George. You got this. Lock in. He's got the lock in. Get out of there. Get out of the I broke it. I broke it.
It's out. It's out. It's out.
What? It's broken. All right. My turn. Break it, Dean. All right.
Kyle, what do you think about this?
Hey, take your
That's bullshit, man. Break that.
I don't know, he fucking broke that. Hey, you gotta take your hood off.
Oh, T-shirt so much.
You gotta wear a t-shirt.
Alright, you can watch this out.
The first half of T-Squared unveiling his muscular torso.
Am I gonna get beat up here?
Alright, here we go. Come on!
Let's go, man.
Alright,
Let's go!
Alright, go!
Come on, gotta get him up.
Break that! Hold it! Come on!
Come on!
You almost got me! Hey, you gotta get up.
Come on!
Break that!
Yeah, it's broken! T-Squared!
Folks, I think that's a good wrap-up to a preamble to our title fight coming up in a couple nights for Lisa Tramble's custody. I think we have a fair